Good morning to you both. Meghan, I will start with you. I mean, it really does feel like even though we're hovering near these record highs for the major averages, there is a wall of worry for investors and equities to climb right now. How do you see it?
I totally agree. I think one of the biggest potential issues is this dichotomy between equity markets at all-time highs and real yields, which are basically as negative as they've ever been. So how do you square those? Generally, you don't see that bifurcation last indefinitely. We do expect rates to converge to equities, not the other way around. I agree with a lot of the comments that were made around the Delta variant, and I wouldn't be flippant or cavalier around those risks at all. It's certainly one of the biggest risks to our bullish call on equities, but I think it's either going to be a temporary blip that we have to get over, or if it is more persistent, then it could be something that actually serves to dampen the speed of the recovery and perhaps elongate the cycle here in the U.S. and avoid that boom bust. That would certainly not be a good thing for equities.
Jeffrey, how big do you see the risk of the Delta variant on the markets at these levels right now, especially given the fact that we have a Fed meeting this week and the busiest week for earnings as well? And so far, those have been really strong.
Yeah, it's an Olympic-sized week for earnings, but the battle between earnings and Delta, earnings have been winning, I guess, over the last 4 or 5 days. But what happens when the earnings season, when we get past the peak here and the data continues to be somewhat disappointing here in terms of the global spread? This is the number one issue affecting markets this year. This year, we've seen the global case count fall, then rise, then fall, now rise again. And right along with that, the relative performance of cyclicals, international stocks, value versus growth, the yield curve, currencies like the yen, everything has been defined by this relationship. And I'm afraid as we get past the peak of the earnings season here, that news will come back to bear down on the market, maybe see a little bit more weakness in cyclicals before they ultimately pick up in the fall and end up leading heading into the fourth quarter.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.